Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are putting two incredible guardian dogs head to head, the Alibi and the Sarabi. These breeds have been protecting livestock and home for ages, and we are going to see how they stack in terms of history, characteristics, and if they make good pets. Let's jump right in. First off, let's look at where they come from. The Alibi, also known as the Central Asian Shepherd dog, comes from the vast plains of Central Asia. They were bred to guard livestock against predators and are known for their stamina and strength. Now, the Sarabi or Iranian Shepherd dog comes from the rugged mountains of Iran. These dogs have a rich history as fierce protectors of livestock, known for their bravery and loyalty. Next, let's talk about what they look like. The Alibi is a big, muscular dog with a solid build. Males usually stand between 28 to 30 inches tall and weigh about 110 to 170 pounds. The Sarabi, while also impressive, tends to be a bit larger. Males can grow up to 32 inches tall and weigh between 140 to 200 pounds. Their muscular bodies and thick coats make them perfect for tough climates. Alibis are known for being independent and having strong protective instinct. They are calm and confident, making them great guardians but sometimes a bit distant with strangers. Sarabis are also very protective but tend to be more aggressive towards their threats. They are extremely loyal to their families and can be very affectionate with those they know, but they need firm and consistent training. Both breeds need good training and socialization from a young age. The Alibi is smart and trainable, but their independent nature means they need a strong leader. Sarabis, being highly territorial and protective, also need consistent training. They love mental challenges and need something to do to stay happy. Are these breeds good pets? Well, both the Alibi and Sarabi are best for experienced dog owners. They need a lot of space and are not great for apartment living. If you have a big yard and time to train and exercise them, either breed can be a loyal and protective friend. In the end, whether you pick the Alibi or the Sarabi depends on your lifestyle and experience with big powerful dogs. Both breeds are amazing guardians and loyal companions, but they need a dedicated and knowledgeable owner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more dog breed comparisons. Let us know in the comments which breed you prefer and why. See you next time.